I keep forgetting my doors. Why? Whoops.
Guys, real quick before the video starts, we just wanted to do a special thank you to everybody who's been watching the channel. We just hit 25,000 watch hours. That's just absolutely insane. I can't believe you want to spend that much time with us. Well, Tori maybe, probably not me. I probably got like 2 hours out of that, but nonetheless, thank you guys so much for your support. Let's get in it.
Hello, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome new subscribers. If you've been here a while, welcome back anyways. All right, you guys, so I have another unboxing for you today. This is not going to be a makeup unboxing, but this is all my hair goodies, all the stuff that I like to re-up on constantly that I use like it's going out of style, okay? These shiny locks, these nice curls, like, yeah, I'll tell you all about it here. Let's dive into this box, okay? The stuff that I'm unboxing is from Head Kandy. I will provide the link down below if you want to browse through anything, or if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer or see if I can help in some way. Okay, you guys, so first and foremost, I have to point out that I opened my box and I wasn't expecting to get this. So of course, like whenever they throw in little like freebie stuff or anything, when you get a freebie with your order, you're always like, I know, I'm the biggest dork, I swear. But they threw in, let me get it out here. So first and foremost, I opened the box and this is on top. It is a koozie and it's one of their America koozies. I just thought it was so cute. I had seen it advertised on the site and it came with my order. So, I mean, you know, when you spend a chunk of change, I guess. But it is super cute, nice quality. And it says America. It's got the Head Kandy logo right here. And then it's got the red, white, and blue rainbow. So I re-upped on quite a few things. I had to get, you guys, I was waiting for like, you guys know, well, if you've watched me at all, you know that I only like to wash my hair like once a week. Mom life, and I don't like washing my hair. It's too much work, y'all. Plus, I like my hair when it's dirtier anyways. But we were extending the washes just a little bit too long because I was waiting on my shampoo to get here and I had to use like a drugstore brand, which Joe knows I hate doing that. I was like, oh, I have to use this. He's like, you'll be okay. I was like, no. But I'm happy to say I got my shampoo in. And they have like a 3-pack. And of course, I just went ahead and got the 3-pack because I need shampoo. And it seems like I always wait too long in between orders. But this is the, sorry for the glare here, but this is the Head Kandy, the Main Squeeze shampoo. This is their Keratin Amino line. And I like it because it makes my hair soft and super like silky feeling without making it feel like weighed down, if that makes sense. So it hydrates my hair, but it doesn't make it feel flat either. Okay, so when my people ask me about washing and conditioning their hair and what the best way to go about it is, first off, you concentrate your shampoo up at your scalp, and then you just kind of let it rinse through your hair. But I do tell people to wash their hair twice, unless you are an everyday washer. If you are an everyday washer, try to stop that because it strips the hair of the natural oils. Try to do at least every other day. And if you are an everyday washer, you can get away with washing your hair once because there's not as much buildup on your hair. But if you don't wash your hair every day, if you are every other day, or if you're like me and you only wash it once a week, then you definitely want to be washing your hair twice, conditioning once. But when you wash your hair, like I said, concentrate it up at the scalp, let it rinse down, but you want to, the first shampoo, when you first get it on there, my first shampoo doesn't even suds up because of all the buildup on my hair of product and everything else. So first wash, what that is going to do, that's just going to get the buildup and the dirt and grime and products and everything else out of the hair. Second wash, that's when it's actually lathering up, and that's when it's going to actually clean the hair. So 2 washes. And then with your conditioner, I just like to grab like mid shaft to ends meaning like I'm not putting it directly on my scalp, just because your scalp doesn't need conditioning, because this is where your oils get most, like where your natural oils get mostly on the hair is going to be right up top here. So you don't need the hydration and the conditioning on your scalp. All that's going to do is going to weigh your hair down and make an overproduction of oil. So there's a little lesson on shampooing and conditioning your hair, if you didn't know. Another thing I had to re-up on, I've had my old bottle. They did redesign it a little bit. You can see the color is different. The writing is a little bit different, I believe, on it. Slightly, not much. But this is the old bottle here, and then this is the new one. Hopefully you can see that. I know there's a glare on it. It has a plastic wrapper on it. But this is the Smooth Talker. It's the argan oil from Head Kandy. So the argan oil is really great at adding shine to the hair, controlling frizz, and just really hydrating the hair. But the nice thing about it, all of their hydrating products don't weigh down the hair. Diesel. Lay down. But the really great thing about all of the hydrating and the moisturizing products, they don't weigh your hair down. I know I keep saying that with the shampoos, conditioners, this, that, and the other, but I just think that's amazing that they don't weigh your hair down, because I always shied away from hydration. Even though my hair needed it, I shied away from it because I was scared it was going to make my hair flat. I'd rather have damaged volume hair than hydrated flat hair. But anyways, this is the Smooth Talker Argan Oil. I use it before I blow dry. I use it after I blow dry. I use it even like to separate these curls so that they didn't get too frizzy. I even used them on the ends to kind of like comb through with my fingers, and it just gives such a nice shine and makes them just look so polished. I don't know, I love it. But anyways, so that old bottle that I had that is still not empty, it's still there's probably still this much in it. I don't know, I've had that for months. I can't even tell you how. Then again, I only wash my hair once a week, so yeah, you know. But it lasts a long time. You don't need very much. So one of the other products that I had to re-up on, because it's one of my faves. I got little floaties flying around here. This is the Drama Queen, and what this is the back of the bottle that it's showing you here. I can't get it turned around. This is what it looks like. Drama Queen, okay, and then it's got this right here, and this is like a little powder poofer. I will kind of show you here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh. So it is a volumizing powder mist. Okay, so it's a powder, but it comes out in a mist. And this is actually what I use as well to like clip in my extensions, just because I don't want to have to tease my hair a whole lot. So I will spritz this in there, rub it in, and then I'll add just a little bit of a tease, and then I'll clip in my extensions, and they don't slip out of my hair at all. And I have very like fine hair, so just saying. The volumizing powder mist, the Drama Queen, it's a lifesaver for me, just because I feel like it helps hold in my volume all day. Aside from just using it for my extensions, I use it underneath my part line. I use it back here where I get this nice split in the back of my head. Anyone else have that colic where you have that split in the back and it just like lays flat? It drives me insane. So this is my remedy for that. I put some of that in there, rough it up, and then if I like feel it separate at all I have to do is just kind of like give it a little tousle, and it's good to go. So that stuff is my jam. And then I ordered 2 more cans of my fave hairspray. I still have a little bit left of my last can, but I go through it real quick because I'm a hairspray girl. Anyone else? Hairspray fan? Anyone? If you're a hairstylist, I know you are. Hairspray is a hairstylist's best friend, aside from dry shampoo. Oh, you guys, it's so good, so good. It's a really strong hold. The smell, like, it almost smells like, I always just describe it as kind of like, almost like a feminine-ish cologne. I don't know, it's kind of like unisex, the smell of it. Like, I don't know, it's like a cologne-y smell, but it's still like somewhat girly. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at describing smells. Really bad. It smells really good. It's a strong hold, but I even use it to like spray my curls and then I will like separate them at the end, and then they're still like nice and flexible and soft, like soft to the touch. They're not crunchy. I don't like hairspray that makes my hair crunchy. Like, ew, we're not back in the early 2000s where we scrunched our hair and straightened our bangs. No, I don't want crunchy hair. No, thank you. Who used to scrunch? Anyone else? Used to scrunch with gel? Like, the hard crunchier the better, and the straighter the bangs the better. Okay, last but not least, y'all. And I actually ordered 4 cans. Here's a screenshot for you, Joe. So I actually ordered 4 cans, but I already cracked into one because I've been out of my dry shampoo for far too long. I think I've been out for like a week. That's too long. But the dry shampoo is my all-time fave. Whenever people ask me what my favorite product is, it's dry shampoo, hands down, because again, I don't like to wash my hair. And I feel like I like this because, one, it smells amazing. It smells a little different than the hairspray, but it smells amazing. And I feel like it just like fluffs up my hair. So like when you're refreshing and you want to like add a little oomph to it, like spraying in this at the base, I actually like to spray my dry shampoo in at night. I'll spray it in the morning too, but I do it at night before I go to bed, and that kind of acts as a preventative so your hair doesn't get oily while you're sleeping on it. Because let's be real, like when you're laying on your pillow, your hair is mashed to, to the side of your head, and so if your scalp is producing oil, then yeah, your hair is gonna get greasy. But if you put this in at night, then it's already on your scalp. And so when you're sleeping on your hair, then it has time to like absorb that oil before it even coats your hair. You know what I mean? There's a pro tip for you. Use it at night before you go to bed as a preventative, so you won't even wake up with oily hair. You're welcome. So if you are in the market and looking for a dry shampoo that does not leave white residue and that smells bomb, give this a try. You will not be sorry. It's my favorite, hands down. I've used a lot of dry shampoos, and I'm not just saying that. I was skeptical because I was, like I said, hairstylist, worked behind the chair for 10 years before I retired and stayed home to do all of this stuff. I went through a lot of different dry shampoos. My hair used to be jet black. Like, no joke. It used to be jet black. So, I always would look for a dry shampoo that didn't make my scalp look like it was like gray because of that white residue. You know what I mean? Like, no one likes that. Like, it looks dull and gray and then you got nice shiny and like, no. But I sprayed the dry shampoo in today, and it doesn't dull down my hair, but it also doesn't leave it like looking greasy or oily or anything like that either. So the stuff is bomb. Other than that, these curls right here, I did use my knockout wand. The knockout wand comes with 2 different attachments. It comes with the 25mm barrel and the 32mm barrel, okay? So normally when I use my knockout wand, I usually reach for the 32mm barrel just because I like a little bit of a looser curl. But today I actually did use the 25mm just because I was looking for a little bit something different. And I love like the bouncy curls that I got from it. I'm like kind of digging it. I'm getting delirious because I'm hungry. Anyways, yeah, if you're looking for a new wand as well, this bad boy, I love this one, like strictly because the titanium technology with these barrels, they make your curls, one, last forever. Like, I will have these curls for days to come, and I'll just refresh with my dry shampoo. And it just adds so much shine. Like, my hair is dull, and then I will curl it with this, and between this and the Smooth Talker and Third Wheel, like, my hair, it has so much shine and yet is so like volumized. Like, come on, y'all. Yes. Yes. So if you want to check out any of like the tutorials or anything like that I do live tutorials for like a lot of my like hair stuff and everything like that. So you can check out my Facebook business page, check out my TikTok. I do lives on both of those places. Otherwise, I do have some tutorials here on the channel as well that you can browse. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate, drop them down in the comments. I would love to help you out, answer whatever I can. But thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you learned something. But don't forget to smash that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.